Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. We're super excited to launch a brand new series where we'll be showing you how to crochet a collection of adorable keychains, each one featuring its own unique and charming crochet design. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. Today we will show you how to crochet a cute star. It is the crochet pattern. That is the yarn needed. 2.5 millimeters crochet hook. Let's begin. Wrap the yarn around your pinky finger and pull through the index finger. Insert the hook into the loop. Yarn over and pull out. Do a slip knot and chain 1. Do 8 single crochet into the magic ring. Yarn over and pull through. Insert the stitch marker in the first single stitch. We need to do 8 single crochet into the ring. Pull the short yarn tightly. Insert the hook into the loop again. Remove the stitch marker. Do a slip stitch to the first stitch and chain 1. For round 2, we need to do 8 single crochet increase. Insert the stitch marker into the first stitch. Continue to do the rest 7 increase. The round 2 is done. Remove the stitch marker. Do a slip stitch into the first stitch. Chain 1. For round 3, we need to do 1 single crochet and 1 increase. Repeat 8 times. Insert the stitch marker in the first stitch, yarn over and pull through. Continue and repeat 7 times. Remove the stitch marker. Do a slip stitch to join the round. Chain 1. For round 4, we need to do 2 single crochet and 1 increase. Repeat 8 times. Put stitch marker in the first stitch. Continue and repeat 7 times. Remove the stitch marker. Do a slip stitch to join the round. Chain 1. For round 5, we need to do 3 single crochet and 1 increase. Repeat 8 times. Put the stitch marker into the first stitch. Remove the stitch marker. Do a slip stitch to join the round. Chain 1. For round 6, we need to do 8 single crochet. Put stitch marker in the first stitch. Continue to do the rest 7 single crochet. Chain 1. Turn the piece. For round 7, we need to do 1 decrease, 4 single crochet and 1 decrease again. Chain 1 and turn the piece. For round 8, we need to do 1 decrease, 2 single crochet and 1 decrease. Chain 1 and turn the piece. For round 9, we need to do 2 decrease. Chain 1 and turn the piece. For round 10, we need to do 1 decrease. Chain 1. Leave a tail and cut the yarn. Then 1 corner of the star is done. The star have 5 corners. Continue and repeat the rest 4 corners. Put the stitch marker. Leave long tail and cut the yarn. One star is done. Repeat the steps for another star. Now we sew the mouth. Take out the black yarn. Sew the mouth. After that, tie a knot. Cut it. Next, combine the two stars. Insert hook into the stitch and chain 1. Then do single crochets in every stitch of the 5 corners. Hide the yarn inside. After complete 3rd corner, we can start stuffing inside. Continue to sew the rest corners. Stuff the inside a little bit more before closing. Slip stitch. Leave long tail and cut it. Hide the yarn with needle. Cut the yarn. Glue the eyes. Add the keychain. Deck it with eyeshadow. Such a cute star is ready.